All right, here we are. Day number 37. Day number 37, notably as James Washington and C.J. Spillman of the Cowboys. War number 37. All right, so we got the guys pulling out the tile. They're going to tile the bathrooms. Probably start with this one. And we're going to work our way over to we have all the tile for the bathroom. So they're putting everything together here in the garage. Yep, the garage door is working. I got to put in the two side sensors and then that's it. So, and then we're moving forward with everything else. So, when they do the flooring, we're going to have to get the chipping hammer and chip out this, and then we'll do this floor. We're going to start probably Monday afternoon or Tuesday on the floor. So, videos today. I might be able to get in and start doing some grinding, finish up the grinding. As you see yesterday's video, when I was waiting for the garage guy to come fix it, I went on ahead and spray primered the steel that was already grounded. So I may go ahead and finish that today. I got to take off here shortly, run some errands. So this is going to be the only video for the beginning. And we'll let those guys do the work, and then when I come back later on, we'll see what kind of work they've done. And then back here, we'll see what happens. Maybe tomorrow, it's officially almost time to start on this, tearing out this shed. So, I got to cut the grass. Look at that. Holy cow. It's going to be another forest by the time I get back here again. So then I got to order some new dirt. That's coming in. I don't know when it's going to come in, but I got to order it. So it's coming along little by little, piece by piece. We still got a couple more weeks. I would say at least 3 weeks before we're finished. We still got a lot of work to do, but I would say we're about 3 weeks out of completion. So, mijo, hold on. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see what we got going on today. Okay. All right, day 37 coming to a close. As you see, I put in the sensors. Sensors on both sides. Garage door works up and down. The buttons work up and down. The remote control works up and down. The keypad works up and down. Everything works on the garage. And it's quiet. It's quiet. It's quiet. So, oh, I got to go get the button. So, let's go to the car real quick. And I'll get my remote so I can close up the house. These are the tile guys. They're just now leaving. I wonder if I should just wait and show you guys the tile. Make you anticipation. You know, that thing where like, oh my God, he talked all about it and he didn't show us. Oh my God, we got to wait for the next scene. Got to wait for the next episode. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I think I'll do that kind of shit. Tease the fuck out of you guys. Just kidding. Let's go see what they did. Maybe I should wait for you guys to wait. Anyways, I have a little bit of the paint left over. The guy already painted. But there's some areas that the paint just didn't settle right, in my opinion. So tomorrow, I might see, like right over here. He painted it, but it just doesn't look good for me. So I might just get the roller and get whatever's left between this bucket and the other bucket and just paint the house, rest of it with that stuff, and just get rid of it. I'm not sure what else we're using it for. So, okay, this window's closed. All right, let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. Here, we'll do this. There's a tease. There, that's a tease. You got to wait till it's all done. See, I have to give you a little bit every day, and then I show you all at the end when it's all done. See, that's all you see. That's it. No more. I'm not showing you no more. So anyways, the tile guys did okay. They finished everything. Let me lock up the doors here. Close the windows. The lights look good. I like the lights. Everything's looking good. I always talk shit about the shed out back, but whenever I get to it, I get to it. That's all there is to it. You'll figure it out. You'll know when I get to it. So those guys don't work on Sundays. They're all off on Sundays. So tomorrow I'll be here by myself doing something. Painting walls, painting ceilings, grinding steel. Something for your entertainment. Let's see if they close that window back there. Yeah, they closed that window. Okay. All right, so we're all locked up, ready to go. Watch this. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I know it's hot today. That guy drank all the water, man. Yeah. I hope they bring water on Monday. Okay, let's get this out of the way. We got everything. Ready? How did David do? How did David do? Boom. Look at that. Don't tell me I can't do nothing. Okay, thanks for watching. Day 37, tomorrow's 38. I'll probably finish up grinding this one here. This beam right here. I did that one earlier, as you see. I'll finish this one up. I'm not sure that I'll get in depth in this one. Maybe I'll just leave this one as it is, but I'll clean this one up. And then maybe I'll paint them, but maybe I'll do the house first. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.